Greetings, it is Thursday, January 25th, 2024. I'm doing a second video. I did one with an iPod. I'm now doing this one with a good Canon camera. We'll see which one turns out best. The drawing at left I did in 2016, depicting two Jewish Israeli and two Palestinian teenagers who died in 2014 and or 2015 in the Israeli-Palestinian conflict without end. Drawn for photographs seen online. You have some architectural imagery I drew in Jerusalem, and along with some plants, bird, and what else? We have this panoramic cityscape drawing I did of the old walled city, which I cut in half to place in the drawing here. And actually, that half, which is upside down here, was against part of, continued, on the left there, they were together. I drew that from the terrace of the St. Andrew's Scottish Guest House, where I stayed on at least 4 of my 7 Israeli teaching trips. Oh, the conflict of that end is so much misery, because the adults won't sit down and hammer out the peace like the South Africans did in 1989, and the Catholics and Protestants did in Northern Ireland in 1998. This is my most recent drawing in the Sightseeing and Divinity series. 2 children. The girl, lower left, was a Jewish Israeli, died in the Hamas terror attack on October 7th, 2023. The boy at lower right, Gazan child, both their families were all also killed, slain. Died in one of the Israeli retaliatory missile strikes, which have leveled so much of Gaza's cities and so on. The allegorical sea monsters there. And we have a photograph I took on one of my Israel teaching trips, 1999 or 2002, when I went with a college friend who I'm out of contact with now. He's actually angry that I depicted victims from both sides of the conflict and wrote furious messages to me. This is on the way to the Dead Sea, going near the West Bank. In the small frame at right here, I inserted some seaweed I brought back from swimming in the Mediterranean near Tel Aviv. All right, there you have it. So much needless bloodshed because adults won't sit down and work out a peaceful solution to this conflict. It doesn't need to be like this. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. People need to not only pray for peace, they need to press legislators, government heads to press the Israelis and the Palestinians to hammer out a working, peaceful solution, an end to the body bags and misery and deaths. Just goes on and on and on.